Death quench the flames which consume me? Greater. Not endless years in hell can even pay the crime of murdering the Son of God. And last night, he dealt with me so gently. He washed my feet. He made me to put my hand into cup with thee. While in my room, redeemed to the point which bought his blood. It was better for that man that he had never been born. Who? Who but I? Who but I? I who betrayed him. What you do? Do it quickly. He knew and kept my sin a secret. Friend, where else would have you come? Judas. Oh, Judas. Do you betray the Son of God with a kiss? Friend. Friend. He called me his friend. The man I betrayed called me his friend. How well does that love? Why did not the mountain fall on me? Why did not the earth give and swallow me up? Why did not the sea overwhelm me? Friend, friend, the world will know Judas as a friend. The world will point to Judas as a byword and as a pledge of broken faith. Do you think, Judas, you can hide from the Father of your friend Jesus? Not even in hell can I escape. Not in the grave where the earth will scorn my corpse. Not in the heavens from Jesus. The friend is there. What hope for Jesus? What hope for Jesus? Not even in hell can I escape, for he called me devil. And devils cried out, torment us not, Jesus. Judas' faithful friend, a devil. One of whom it would have been better not to have been born. There's no hope for you. No hope. No hope.